Bringing it back here to South Florida, Governor Rick Scott was back in Key West today, getting an update on the big recovery effort. Local 10's Terrell Forney is live for us to show us more.
And Lori, this is one of the most popular stops for tourists here in Key West, the southernmost point marker, but it has not had many visitors over the past few weeks ever since the area was cleared out of visitors because of Hurricane Irma. But businesses have also been suffering and are hanging on by a thin thread.
Bo's Fishwagon has been a staple in Key West since the 1970s, but the bar stools and tables at the popular eatery have been empty for 15 days straight.
Kind of hard to be in business when you're looking at bankruptcy every summer.
Holly Owen co-owns the restaurant. She believes the fallout from the storm has already cost her more than $30,000 in losses.
Bottom line, you know, it's like emptied out for sure. We just hope creditors and banks will give us a little leeway. So that's the best we can do.
It's been 2 weeks since the last cruise ship docked here in Key West. That means tens of thousands of people who have not been spending their money around town.
There's a lot of people that rely on tips or hourly workers, so we got to do that as fast as possible. The hardest issue, and we're trying everything we can, we're working with FEMA, is housing.
Housing for service workers is priority number one, says Governor Rick Scott. He was back in the Keys today, along with the acting secretary of the Department of Homeland Security. They both know that Florida's tourism industry relies heavily on the Keys. $2.7 billion alone is generated from tourism dollars each year in Monroe County, a vital industry that is suffering with each passing day.
I think the worst thing, though, is we still don't have potable water. That's probably what I'm looking most forward to.
And it's hard to open your doors if you don't have at least that.
Right, right. So right now I'm just throwing as much bleach around as I can.
And good news this afternoon for Holly and many other residents across the Key West area. The boil water alert that had been in effect for so long here has just been lifted late this afternoon. This was the last holdup for a lot of the businesses around here, especially those restaurants, before they could reopen. We are live in Key West. I'm Terrell Forney, Local 10 News.
Okay.